Hello and welcome back to London View Dill viewers to another recipe video. Today, we're making a delicious 2-minute healthy oats porridge. Before we start the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Anyway, on with the video. 1 cup of oats, half a cup of hot water, 3 pinches of salt, half a cup of milk, 5 fine chopped small onions, 1/2 fine chopped raw green chilies. Mix all ingredients and enjoy. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube.